morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Pastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So let's start the topic. So we are continuing our topic that is with the femoral sheath, as it is a funnel shaped sleeve of fascia which is enclosing upper 3 to 4 centimeter of the femoral vessels. As sheath is formed by downward extension of two layers of fascia of abdomen, and the anterior wall of sheath is formed by the fascia transversalis, which lies in anterior abdominal wall deep to transversalis abdominis, and the posterior wall is formed by the fascia iliaca, which covers the iliacus muscle, and inferiorly sheath merges with connective tissue around femoral vessel. As you see in the diagram, this diagram represents the formation of the femoral sheath by extension of the fascia transversalis and the fascia iliaca into the thigh, as there are the external oblique and internal oblique muscles along with some transverse abdominis fibers, and there is a spermatic cord along with inguinal ligament, as the femoral sheath covers the femoral artery and it is lies upward to the iliacus and the ilium bone. Now coming to the characteristic features of femoral sheath. The characteristic features of femoral sheath is it is a asymmetrical and the lateral wall is vertical. The third feature is the medial wall is oblique, being directed downward and laterally, and sheath is divided into following three compartments by a thin layer which is known as septa. Lateral or arterial contains femoral artery and femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve, and the intermediate or venous contains femoral vein. Medial or lymphatic is the smallest of all and is known as the femoral canal. As you see in the diagram, this diagram represents the asymmetry of the right femoral sheath, which covers the femoral artery and the vein within it, as this femoral artery and the femoral vein is covered by a thin membrane or the anterior wall of the femoral sheath, as along with femoral artery and vein there are some lymph nodes, as it is situated as a ring, so therefore it is known as the femoral ring, and the nerve present in the canal is the femoral branch of the genitofemoral nerve. Besides this, there is an opening of the great saphenous vein along with the fascia transversalis. So guys, hope so you all understand very well, and for more information please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon.